I'm excited to announce I have the new QSC LA112s, and I'm going to show you an unboxing video on these. They just came. Thank you, Sweetwater. They tape these well.
Mm-hmm.
Thick padding on that. Nice. Maybe we could use that for a template for a case.
Ooh, good point.
You know, yeah. A template. I was thinking about locking 4 or 6 together and rolling them around together for the case. So a colored manual with this QSC sticker.
Ooh, stickers.
Right. Yeah. I don't see a power cord yet, but maybe, oh, here. Uh-oh, I might have to download firmware.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Here's a side. The handles. About 50, 55 pounds last I checked. There's another nice box here. I think it's sealed in here. No, it's taped. Okay. Whoa. Well, there we go. Prettier than I thought, man. This is sweet. Neutrik connections. There's our speaker, or our power in and power out to drive another box with one cord in and then one cord out to the box. Here's our data. Here's the heat sink for the amp. This needs to breathe. Gets hot. So for our waterproof case we might make, we need to make sure this has airflow. Here's the LCD screen. Here's the locking system. Here's our angles, 1.5, 6, or 12. That's how you lock and latch. I think there's add. Yeah, so you put it to add and you drop it in and then you lock it. And then, does that say remove?
Yes.
So that's how you remove them. Cool. All right.
Let's see the front.
Let's see if you can see the 12 or a driver in there. I don't think you can you?
No, it's got a fine mesh behind it too.
Cool. Pretty neat how it clips in there like that. I'm excited. These are awesome. Cutting edge. All right, well, I'm going to drop one on the pole now. Let's see how easy it is. I want to use the I want to use the 7.5. So I think that's this one, the front one. Yeah. So it's on an angle. So it's on an angle down, and then we'll put the second one up here. So it creates a nice little array for. Can you show what we're trying to do here? All right, so according to those awesome videos, we go to add. We go to add. And I guess they clip into that and lock in. So,
all right.
Oh, let's pause the video.
Go.
All right, here we go. It's not for the faint of heart here. Well, there we go. That was easy. Why is it so wobbly on this? my pole mount is not as thick as that pole mount. But at least it's laying level for now, but I'm gonna have to get a thicker pole mount.
Yep.
So, all right, so now we lock it and lock it. So now they're locked, and I want to do the angle. So they said for a pole mount is 12 is the best angle, and I don't really know how to. Let's try and, oh, I think the angle, I think we do it down here for the, I don't know, let me see here.
It'd be the bottom one.
Yeah. Let's lock those again. And I think it's right. I think it's this one. Okay, so now they're both unlocked. And there's, I guess 6 degrees. And let's try and go again to 12 maybe. And we'll look at it and see if that's pointed correctly.
You're gonna go to 1.6.
Oh.
You're lessening the angle.
Yeah, so it was right. Yeah, that doesn't seem right for throwing way back to the back of the room. So let's bring it down to 12 for the most even coverage. And do it again. So easy, man. And safe, no finger pinches. There, that's what I think we should be doing, and that's what the video said, that from QSC, to get the most even coverage from a pole mount for a long throw application. All right, that's sweet. Now let's see if these pneumatic poles by Ultimate help me. Yep, they help me. Ooh, these are heavy. There she blows, folks.
Alright.
Alright, well, hope you enjoyed this, and I'll let you know how it sounds in the comments. First time using it tonight. Thank you. Thanks, Mark.